guys, today I'm going to be taking apart my old Nerf Double Strike. I've had this for ages. The trigger doesn't even work. You have to do this. I don't know what's happened to it, and today I'm going to try and fix it. Because this is my most precious Nerf gun. It's my first ever one. So right, come on, Nerf gun. You can be taken apart without harm. This is one of my most precious items, so I would not like to lose it. I don't use it in wars anymore because, well, yeah, my most precious Nerf gun. That's corroded. That's the first corroded one. I don't think I see any more corroded ones, but still, it's not like illegal to have a corroded screw. It's not dangerous also. It's not like I'm taking apart a AA battery. It's the first thing that went into my head when I thought of dangerous. Taking apart a AA battery. That's very dangerous, that. Don't try it. If you want to try it, you're dumb. This video is not made for kids, so yeah. Come on, Nerf gun, you're already half apart from me throwing you downstairs. Oh, very nice. Very nice, greasy. That is very greasy. That's the shell of a Nerf Double Strike, everyone. Enjoy it while you still can. And that's the bones of one. It's just like I've taken apart a human, which I've not. I don't know where this goes. What even is that? What even does this do, this bit? What does it do, really? Actually, what does it do? I'm just going to take it off because I think it is useless. It doesn't have a physical use. Bye. That is amazing. Whoa, that's how it pulls down. Watch. I think the locking mechanism is broken. When you look at it, you might think, that's a full Nerf gun. But when you turn this around, it's really not. Imagine losing a battle to a half-open Nerf gun. Hey, dead! I think I need the bit that I just threw. Oh, a lot of crap under my bed. My head. pin just flew past my window like it was about to hit it, but it didn't. iPad's on low battery. Oh, there's 2 more screws, which I want to take apart. It's the barrel of the gun. It's on. Oh my god. You will now be able to see what the barrel inside of a Nerf double strike is like. That actually kind of rhymed, but I don't like rhyming words. So, I don't like rhyming words because they remind me of school. And you know me, I hate school. So, school is rubbish and no one wants to do anything with it. What were those screws for? Literally not doing it. Oh, it is doing something. Ah, that's very greasy. I'd like to put you back in there. Thank you. Please. Let me put you back in. Let me put you back in there. Good. Go back in. I have a lot of grease on my hands. I have greasy hands because the inside of this gun is very, 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 very greasy. Oh no, I dropped my screw in there. Magnetic screwdriver. It is being useless at the moment. Please just get in there and stay in there. I think these are the 2 screw holes that weren't meant to be screw holes because they're practically useless. There's 2 little screws. Nerf, why did you do this to me? Oh no, just literally just... Why did I do that? Please don't tell me I did that. Oh, good. You can twist it around. Let me put my thing back. It was the wrong way around, so I just decided to... That's meant to move. Nerf's like this. Nerf likes this a lot. But it clicks when you put it back together. So, click. That was over the top click. Over the top, don't you think? Raycon. Raycon's not sponsored. I know what's better than Raycons. Every other Bluetooth speaker and headphones. Raycons are rubbish. Even though I've not worn them, I've heard some people talk about them, and mostly I've seen it on Amazon. I've searched up Raycons, and guess what? All of the listings were 1 star because everyone's been rating them 1 stars because they're crap. You know what's better than Raycons? AirPods and Samsung Beans. Samsung's Beans. Samsung's Bean headphones. Also Samsung's Bean MP3 player that came out in around about 2003. Because around about then, they were mad about MP3 players and stuff like that. I don't know why I'm talking about this. Maybe I'm just thinking about the Dank Pods, the YouTuber. Things have screws in them. A lot of things have screws in them, but anything that has a screw in that is useless to me, I can take apart easily. I don't know why I grabbed this, but this is a chance of it randomly exploding, because I've seen on YouTube they sometimes randomly explode. Anyway. Oh my god. Why? Why does the Xbox controller have Oh, here's my charger for my camera. Oh my god, now I can use it on a holiday. Oh my god, this crappy thing. You see that screw? Not centered. I hope I noticed that when we bought this. But I didn't, and this broke, so yeah. So that's why I'm taking it apart, to see the beans of an Xbox controller, because I've never done that. You know what sounds cheap? This. You know what feels cheap? This. You know what is cheap? This. Because it was like £3 on Amazon. I got it for Christmas. That rattling noise. I hate it so much. I just want to grab the hammer and just go bang, bang. Just slam it in half. Some things will fall out because this is crappily made. And I've seen some people on YouTube take this apart, this exact controller apart before. And some of the buttons, these triggers here, they fall off. You know, this is broken because the B button doesn't work. I found that out the hard way because basically I was playing my game, B button stopped working. I sold this on Amazon for about 14 quid. 15 quid. People better not ask me if it's There's 2 more screws. Literally, screws dotted everywhere. Dotted in random places. Especially the one that's not centered. Come on, unscrew. I am going camping at the Isle of Wight in a week, so I will make some YouTube videos, but we won't have Wi-Fi, I bet, because caravans never, ever have Wi-Fi. Right. Oh my god. No way, bruh. I think these ones make it vibrate. Also, no way that this is not fell off. Imagine someone beats you with this controller. No way, it comes out. I literally just pushed it out, like with the thumbstick. No way, bruh. No way, bruh. No way, dude. No way, dude. No way, dude. Oh my god, dude. And now I can say I took apart an Xbox controller. What the hell are these little silicone jangly penis bits? They're everywhere. Ah. I'm going to do it. I am going to do it. I'm going to do it. And you're not going to stop me. I'm going to do it. I've done it. I'm going to break this in half soon, if I don't be careful with it. Have you ever seen the back of a controller? That's what it looks like now. You can't see it anymore. Now all the things are in place. Now all the idiot parts are in place. I can screw it back in. Carefully but fast. Because I don't want this to come apart in the middle of me trying to kill it or murder it. B is not responsive on this controller. B isn't responsive. What other nugget things can I take apart? What are the stupid broken things that can I take apart?